something in the mail. I'm super excited about this. Young gentleman who actually is subscribed to this channel. I seen him on a model demolition derby page, and he was building these small little things, and I thought to myself, I want that. I've always wanted one of these. Oh, it's in an iPhone box. It's not really an iPhone. Before I get all the packaging open, I want to say this. Big shout out. You guys, you built an amazing thing. I seen the photos. I couldn't wait to get it. I'm super excited. I've always wanted one of these. I'm not going to give it away yet what it is. But I bought it just mostly to piss off my boss and piss off people that I know. Oh, he's got more stickers on this. Gotta love the stickers. I was gonna get a nice little carrying case for it, but if it fits so nicely in this iPhone box, I might just keep it in the iPhone box. Nice package, that job, though. Oh, he's even got tape. A little Bible verse plus a hand signature. I guess everybody gets that, or maybe just me. That's nice. You guys ready to find out what this is? I've never seen this yet. As you can tell, I just struggled with the box. Oh my God. It's actually smaller than I thought it was going to be. This, guys, is the world's smallest violin. I don't actually know if it's the world's smallest violin. I got some monster hands here, so... Are you guys ready? I'm gonna take off my hat for this. Wee, 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 wee. There's actually sounds coming off of it. That's hilarious. Can you guys hear this? Ready? This is how small this violin is. I can barely hold on to it. This thing is unbelievably funny. He posted that he was making little tiny guitars, and I said to him, "Can you make a violin?" I can't believe he actually did it. Oh, that is so funny. I cannot wait to make everybody hate me with this little violin. First person I'm going to make hate me is the wife. Oh. Thanks, Nate. I'm going to probably put up some more videos of me playing with people with that. But if you guys want a cool little guitar, or I imagine he can make custom things as well, because he said he's never made a violin before, and now he made one for me, so I imagine he can make stuff to be banjos or whatever you guys want. Give Nate a call, but let's see how many people I can play this on. What are you doing? Don't worry about it. You want the world's smallest violin? Don't do it! Listen, it actually makes sound.
Yes, honey, you're gonna fucking break it.
I'm so sorry. Let me play you a little song on my violin. No! I don't know if violin actually sounds like...
Not like that.
Well, if I was playing this violin, that's what it'd sound like. Oh. That wasn't fair.